Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. As you can see, we're going to do some water marble. And my favorite, at least, water marble polish to use is Basis Loaded Lacquer. And it is not just a water marble polish, it is just so great with water marble. I can't stop myself. So this is her new collection. There are 8 polishes in this collection. One is a holo topper, but here are all the colors on my thumb. And I'm just going to show you how to do this design. And these colors are called Candy Coated Cheesecake, and they are a tribute to Golden Girls, another one, like the 3rd collection she's done to commemorate the Golden Girls. So we're going to take a look at these polishes, and I am going to water marble them. I am going to show you my swatch pictures. They stamp. They are 2 coats completely opaque. 1 coat mostly you could get by with, but you know, you want to do 2 coats. If you want to go join her in her YouTube channel, and I'll put the link below, and check it out. She's going to do complete swatch video and doing stamping also. Going to show you all of it. So I figured I was going to do water marble. She's going to do swatching. She has other swatchers with these polishes to show them off, so they'll be on Instagram and everywhere. I do have peel off base coat on my nails, just a rough crappy coat of white undies. I just put a quick coat on there. I didn't really go that crazy with it, as you can see. And then I do have Protect Me liquid latex from Adored Colors. Love the stuff that I'm going to be using to water marble with. My water is room temperature. I keep a bottle of water in my room to do water marbles, so it's just the same temperature as the polish. So that's kind of important, but not, you know, that important. The only time I've ever had trouble with this polish water marbling is in the summer when it's really, really humid, and that was a nightmare. All right, so this is what the liquid latex, like I said, I've got is Protect Me. And you see it turns a darker green when it dries. Really love this stuff for water marble. I mean, I really like it for everything liquid latex usage wise. Okay, like I said, there are 7 colors in 1 topper, so there are 8 polishes in this collection. And you can see the colors. There is a blue, a green, a really pretty mint green, kind of a aqua teal color, which is this one, yellow, a beautiful peach, an orange, I'm sorry, a beautiful peach, a pink, a purple, and a blue. I am going to use all the colors. You don't have to. You can use 2 or 3. If you're just beginning with water marble, this is like your first time, I would suggest just using 2, maybe 3 colors, but I gotta be extra, so I'm gonna use them all. And you see, these spread so nice on the water. I did have a comment asking me if I touch the water. I kind of do. Well, not always maybe, but sometimes I do. It depends. If I just want a little drip, I kind of touch the water. And you can. You just don't want to go in the water with your brush. And like I said, I'm going to do 2 drops of each color around, so I'm sure that I have a complete rainbow going on here. These spread so nice, and the outer edge stays wet. It doesn't get all dried and crusty. If you're a beginner and you're a little slower at this, you don't have to worry about this polish drying out at the edge. Usually I use a big old 6-inch stabby needle hat, but today I am going to use an orange wood stick. You can use an orange wood stick, a toothpick, a water marble tool, whatever you'd like. But this pattern is going to be a little less detailed than I normally do, so I'm going with an orange wood stick. And I feel like that's what most people would start with. So I'm going to start off by drawing a, let's just say it, a vajayjay in my water. And then I'm just kind of letting that go in, like shrink in. And then I'm going to start drawing, and I'm just going to draw straight lines across. And that's all. It's a really easy pattern, and it looks really cool. Please make sure that you are going all the way through your water, or all the way through your polish to your water with whatever tool you're using, because if you don't, the underneath side is where when you dip in, the underneath side is what is going to be showing on your finger when you pull it out, and it'll be muddy if you don't go all the way through. All right, so also don't just dunk your finger in. You want to take the tip of your nail and kind of push it through as you're going down, push it through. And then I'm blowing on the top of that water to get it to dry so that I can like clean it off. And as you see, I'm speeded up a little bit here, but this polish stays wet so good, so long, a long hang time on top of the water. So it is very easy for beginners especially to use, and it's great for doing decals, just dipping a stamper in there and picking it up that way. But you want all that polish cleaned off the top. And that makes it easier to see, do you have any bubbles around your cuticle? And I do, I usually do. So you want to just pull that out just enough to pop that bubble, and then push it back into the water so that the wet polish that is already underneath there will spread back out. The water will kind of force it to the cuticle. And I am pulling it out just a little bit just to get that bubble popped. There I did. And there you go. I love that pattern. It looks so cute. Kind of like a rainbow. Not exactly the same, well, just because I wanted a different angle. But you definitely want to take and score with whatever you're using. Cuticle pusher, orangewood stick. Score around that, and then take that liquid latex off while it's wet, while your polish is still wet. Don't let that dry, because if you do, when you go to pull that off, the polish is going to separate from the liquid latex, and it's going to be a mess. And you don't want it smacking back on your fingernail either. So either like clip it with scissors, or break it, or there you go. Stretch it out, pull it over. I really love that, the way that design did. And you're never gonna, this is a hard lesson for me. You're never gonna get them all the same. You're hardly ever, I mean, unless you're gonna do like a flower pattern, it's a little easier. Or if you're gonna pick it up with a stamper, it's a little easier to pick and choose and cut a decal so that they're all uniform the same. And then while it's still wet, that's when I take a cleanup brush and acetone and really clean that up around my fingers. It's just a little easier while that polish is still wet. And I think that's liquid latex there. And as long as there's no like standing water on that nail, blow it off, soak it off, whatever. Like take a little Q-tip and get the water spots off. And then I just go ahead and top coat right away with a quick dry top coat so that it dries down pretty quick, and I don't have to worry about messing it up when I'm water marbling then the next nail. But I only do one nail at a time. Usually I don't like stick two fingers together and dip. It's rare I do that. There I have Glisten and Glow top coat. Beautiful. So if you have any questions about that, let me know down below. I hope I didn't go too fast. So here are all the colors to feed the cat rose. And I stamped that with the purple. Beautiful. Here is Blow It Out Your Tubenburbles. If I didn't get that right. This is kind of like, I don't know, a teal. This is one is more teal. That is stamped with She Modern. Grab that dough. That is a beautiful mint green. And I use these polishes to stamp. And this beautiful violet purple. And I stamped it with the yellow. Oh, this peach, I was afraid I was going to look terrible on me because I am so pale right now, but it really still looked beautiful. Probably these two, that and the yellow, are probably my favorites, and I didn't think they would be, but they are. They all look amazing matte too. And there is Windshield Wipers, the holo top coat. All right, you guys, there are all the colors lined up next to each other. Beautiful, bright pastels for spring. I love them. I am going to be having some Madame Glam gel, so if you use gel polish, I know so many of my girls don't use gel polish, so they want to see things that are comparable in regular polish, and I really love this collection. I think they're beautiful, and if you are looking for some bright pastels for spring into summer, these are for you. I will put the prices down below. I do have a discount code, Guyleen325, gets you $3 off $25 or more. And I don't remember the price. I'll put that across here. And there is, oh, look at that. There's the, I have just 2 coats on my right hand. It is a topper, but I wanted to see. It does build up to opacity with 3 coats. And it is a beautiful, like, just gray holographic with flakies in it. Windshield Wipers. And this is the Candy Coated Cheesecake Collection. I feel like I neglected to say that. What's this, Tara? It's not lined up perfectly. What is up with that? All right, you guys, thanks so much for joining me. Please go down and go see Tara's video if it's up yet. I'm not sure, but go subscribe to her. Follow the Facebook group. Go to the Facebook group. I have a link to that down below too, and you'll find out about all the new stuff coming out and when it comes out and the pre-order info and all that stuff. Thank you so much for joining me, and stay tuned for a little more fun video here at the end. Love you guys. Bye. Oh, did you come get your nails done? We're gonna do your nails? Got lots of new stuff. You're just gonna stand here in my way? Is that your plan? Okay.
I know, baby. Ooh, that's fine looking. My hands are cold.
Her socks. You're flopping around on her feet. Come on, baby. Let's go in. Come on.
Have it.
Don't fall. Oh, lost one. That's all right. Just hold it. Don't put it. That's all right. Yeah, thanks. She got ready to lose the back one too. There it goes.
Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo.